All right, you guys, thank you for coming back to my channel. If you are new, please hit that subscribe button. Today I am flat ironing my hair, and the first product that I'm going to use is It's a 10 Silk Express Miracle Silk Leave-In. And its explosive silkiness cuts down drying time, shields against frizz, enhances body, it helps protect color, helps strengthen the hair shaft, instant detangler, ultra moisturizing, glossy shine, and build up free. Alright, so now I'm going in with the Design Essentials Blow Dry and Silk Press collection. This is a blow dry and styling primer, and it's the step 3 in that collection. I'm not using the whole collection, but that is the step 3. You don't necessarily have to use both products. I just like to make sure my hair is protected so that I don't get any heat damage.
All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself.
Okay, y'all, I was getting so tired. My arms was hurting. And it seems like when I blow dry my hair, I don't know if it's because it's so thick, it's like the heat just sits in there. Like the steam and everything just sits in there. So my hands be burning. I can't stand blow drying my hair. So excuse the faces and the tired looks. I was just tired of blow drying my hair already. Alright, y'all, this is the finished blow drying look. I'm over here looking like the Lion King. Y'all, my hair is just so thick. I'm not really sure if it's... I feel like my hair is getting longer, but I feel like it gets thicker at the same time. It's just so much hair. Usually when I get to this step, I'm just like, why am I doing this? I don't feel like flat ironing all this hair, but I keep pressing on. Alright, I'm just parting my hair in a small section. I always do small sections because if you use flat iron thicker sections, the heat does not go all the way through. So it's good to make sure you have very small sections so that you can get a good silk press. Now the next product I'm going to use is the Step 4 Design Essentials. It's the Thermal Protectant Cream. And then after that, I'm going to follow up with the Beyond the Zone heat protectant spray. You don't have to do that, but I just do that because I make sure that I don't get any heat damage. I'm very heavy on the products just so my hair will revert back. And you guys, I apologize. I kind of have a nose cold, so I'm a little nasally, but just bear with me. I hope you can understand what I'm saying. Okay, now I'm taking my flat iron and I'm passing the roots a couple of times. That's the new hair, so it hasn't had any heat or anything, so that's okay. Then I'm going to take my comb and then I'm going to take my flat iron behind it and I am going to chase my comb with my flat iron all the way down to the end. And for my day one subscribers, you guys know I've always flat ironed my hair like this. I don't think I'll ever change it. It works and it gets it really straight.
Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 I just can't stop thinking about you.
So I recently trimmed my ends. I did record it, but at the end, the back wasn't as even as I wanted it to be. So I had to go back and fix that, but I didn't record that part. So I never posted it. But if you guys want to get an idea of how I trim my ends, let me know in the comments down below and I'll post that video. But like I said, I didn't post when I kind of straightened it out. I really wasn't worried about it being even because you'll see at the end of this video my hair is pretty evenly shaped. I have layers in my hair and I always have since I cut my hair. So I just, when I trimmed, you'll see in the video how I trim, and it still just gave me like this layered look. And it actually made my hair look like a lot thicker. You could just tell like the ends really weigh your hair down. So if you, like I said, if you would like to see that video, then I'll post that video. Just let me know in the comments down below.
All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I.
All right, you guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys like my suppress that I did with my skunk strip. Don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, and hit that bell so you will be notified of any new videos that I post. Thank you for watching.
Yeah.